Going on, guys? So first we had painted this rifle. This was like the first one I ever did, and I added some stripes to it just to give it a little more a darker look. But so this was the first one. Then we ended up painting my boy's gun, and this thing came out. This thing came out pretty good. So good that I want to paint my Sons of Liberty. So I'm going to guide you guys through the process. So pretty much I just stripped everything that I did not want to paint on the gun. And now we're going to tape it off. Alright, so I got it taped up. I taped up everything that I did not want. I'm keeping the little logos right here. Muzzle device. I like this thing, so I'm not going to paint that. And that's pretty much it. So next step, let's go. And then the next thing we're going to do is just hit it with a very light coating of the base color. Alright, next we're going to go with a little more of a tan to kind of break it up, and the gun is going to be going diagonally across my chest, so I want the lines going this way, which is mag up. So mag up. And I'm waiting about 10 minutes in between coats. I'm not really too worried about that. So the next one that I'm gonna go with is gonna be bright. So I'm gonna go with the bright one first, so that way once I put the darker colors on it, it'll break it up, so it won't be that bad. Alright, I ended up hitting these just because I kind of wanted like a distressed look over time as I use the handrail. I don't know, I just decided to paint that. This is my preference. But next what I do is I spray from far at an angle and I just mist it. Alright, so now the last part, we're going to do just black stripes from mag up, or at least what I call it. So we're going to go like close to it too. Sounds like this. Alright, and the last thing that I want is little green lines. So and this is what we're left with.